I don't think I'm the best driver, but I drive better in a BMW. Well, Maddy is very different at its core. We're colorful inside out, we're diverse inside out. And I love how with clients, they form the relationship not just with me. Many now have stronger relationships with each of their designers and more than one. As a bespoke jewelry design house, you have very different styles. It's not just one creative director at the forefront. It's not just one prominent style. It's not just one person's vision, one person's personality. It's a mix of everyone's personality, character, joyfulness. There's a bit of all of us. I think what makes me happiest is when a client comes back and say, oh, I tried looking around for something similar and it was a disaster. Like, it's just not the same. And I think because of our focus on service and also quality, it really does make a difference. And many clients say, this is my happy place. And again, it's not just about jewelry. Like, we could be selling cosmetics and it'll still be a happy place. Because I think it's also the people, the experience, the environment, the energy when you step in, that you feel comfortable. Because I shop that way. I believe in the service, the qualities, and also after-sales service. I think it is just as important because, hey, it's life, right? Things go wrong or you need help. No matter how good a piece of equipment or car or how well made the jewelry is, like, things happen. And when they do, who do you look for? You don't want someone to just be finished with a sale and go, okay, bye. So I think the after-sales service is incredibly important as well, and the relationship that I have with the person that I bought from, who served me. I'm a firm believer that it's the little things that make the biggest difference. So I've driven a lot of cars, like rented cars. When you're overseas, and you rent cars, and actually I drive all kinds of cars. For me, I drive like whatever, it could be a sedan car, an SUV. But when I drive a BMW, it's just smooth, Again, it's the little things. It's down to earth, yet luxurious, and it's kind of like, it's not like overly feminine. Like, I like something that's womanly but not girly, and that's a BMW, I don't think I'm the best driver, but I drive better in a BMW.